municipality of Los Baños 5 years from now? Hi, this is John, and this is my question.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Nakikita ko po 5 years from now ang bago Los Baños is ang tourism po nito ay sobrang mas mapapaganda pa dahil sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Dahil ang tourism ng Los Baños, dahil nakakaliwa ng Los Baños, proud ako sabihin na ang tourism ng Los Baños ang pinakamaganda sa lahat ng bayan. Dahil ang tourism ng Los Baños ay isa ito sa ating pwedeng gamitin para sa maghigayat na ng ibang tao para mas tumaas ang mga local businesses yung mga. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bago Los Baños, number 4.
Now for our second candidate, may we go on, candidate number 2, Mr. Paul Aguilar.
Mr. Bago Los Baños, number 2, you may now pick your question. And you have picked a question from Dr. Chester Guama.
Hello, good evening, candidate number 2. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. So if you take the crown tonight, what legacy would you like to leave as Mr. Bago Los Baños? And how do you plan to establish and pass on that legacy? If you take the crown tonight, what legacy would you like to leave as Mr. Bago Los Baños? And how do you plan to establish and pass on that legacy?
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. If ako po ang mananalo for this year's pageant, napapakaroon na po ako na Mr. Bago Los Baños 2024, ay gagamitin ko po itong platform na ito para i-implement po yung advocacy ko about fitness and health consciousness. Dahil sa panahon po ngayon ay kukunti na lang po ang mga individual na nakoconscious sa kanilang health. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bago Los Baños, number 2.
Now, please welcome candidate number 8, Don Eric Kaligayahan.
Candidate number 8, you may now pick your question. And you have picked a question for Mr. Mark Anthony Aningalan.
Good evening. Can you hear me? Good evening. Is it clear? Yes. The Philippines is one of the top plastic polluters of seas, rivers, and oceans. As a resident of Los Baños, one of the pioneers of the no plastic policy in the country, how do you help reduce plastic waste? And what can you do to encourage others to do the same? Again, the Philippines is one of the top plastic polluters of the seas, rivers, and oceans. As a resident of Los Baños, one of the pioneers of the no plastic policy in the country, how do you help reduce plastic waste? And what can you do to encourage others to do the same?
Thank you so much. Los Baños Laguna is a place that I have known for almost 20 years now. And living here in Los Baños Laguna, I've seen so many things that has been affecting our nature, such as the pagbaha sa Mayundo and the extreme heat that we have experienced lately. And this is all because of us humans. We are being irresponsible. We are not taking care of our environment. And as a candidate of Mr. Bagong Las Baños, I would like to use this as an opportunity to really educate people and to inspire people to take care of our environment. Because I believe that our environment is the only home that we have. And how we treat our nature is how our nature treats us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8, Don Eric Higayaman. Now, our fourth candidate to enter the top 5. Let's welcome candidate number 9, Carl Simon Tanseco.
Good evening, Mr. Bagong Las Baños, number 9. You may now take your question. And you take the question from Mr. Jonathan De Guzman.
Good evening, Carl. Sir, this is your question. As a resident of Los Baños, what change would you like to see in the next 5 years, and how are you going to help achieve it? Again, as a resident of Los Baños, what change would you like to see in the next 5 years, and how are you going to help achieve it?
First of all, as a hospitality management profession, that is my profession, I see the tourism 5 years from now in Los Baños as a fruitful, delightful, and much more vibrant culture here in Los Baños. After all, Los Bañenses is the heart. Los Bañenses is the heart of the special science nature of the Philippines. And as a male aspiring candidate for Mr. Bagong Las Baños 2024, I would like to do it by leaving a positive mark, in being a role model, in being a sign that dedication, passion, and my love for my profession will bring about the best of Los Baños, together with the organization and my ambition to represent Los Baños until next Ginoon Binibining Laguna 2025. I will make them realize the potential that the Los Baños have in contributing to the tourism economy of our province. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bagong Las Baños, candidate number 9.
Now, our last male candidate who made it to our top 5. Let's welcome candidate number 7, Jason Sadula.
Mr. Bagong Las Baños, candidate number 7, take your question. And you have picked a question from Mr. J. Beltran.
Hi Jason, can you hear me?
Yes, bro.
What makes Banyamos Festival so unique? And if you're going to tell the story to your kids someday, how will you tell that story of the Banyamos Festival?
As we can see, Banyamos is really a very popular festival here, not just in Laguna, but in the Philippines. And what I can say to the child someday is that Banyamos is annually celebrating not just for its culture, not just for its nature, but also for its people. Because Banyamos, also Bagong Las Baños, is what we are celebrating. And as one community, I know for a fact that we can do so much more, not just for ourselves, but for our Bagong Las Baños as a whole. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And that concludes our